The Ja 3EP Pink Foam, Silt Red, Sundial, Hyper Pink brings a bold mix of high-energy colors and performance tech inspired by Ja Morant's explosive style. Built with a dynamic, multi-layer woven upper, the shoe mixes soft pinks, bright reds, and hyper pink tones, creating a fast, motion-filled look highlighted by a striking sundial yellow swoosh and laces. Its breathable yet supportive construction delivers stability for quick cuts, while the translucent outsole uses Ja logo traction for strong grip on indoor or outdoor courts. A full-length Hybrid ZoomX cushioning system adds bounce, soft impact absorption, and extra momentum with each step. Inside, a foam sockliner and precise collar padding reduce fatigue and support rapid direction changes. Designed with Ja's personal input, the vertical swoosh, claw-like textures, and bold color layering express his free movement philosophy.